Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today I'm going to do a few of the projects using the amazing product that I received from Hippo, Water Slide Decal. This is an amazing product and I love it. And you can transfer this decal using water. And they come 20 sheets per pack and you can transfer on any surfaces. And also they sent me another pack where I can transfer iron-on a fabric, and they come 10 sheets in a pack, and I'm going to transfer it on one of the tote bag. I created these printables from Canva, and using inkjet printer I just printed all these images on this water slide decal. And using iron-on transfer page, I printed this nice Thanksgiving printable. And I'm starting this project using one of the wooden pumpkin from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to cover this letter B with some more orange paint. I'm going to paint a couple of coats so the letter is completely covered. My pumpkin sign is completely dried, and I have given a good coverage by the paint. Now I'm cutting the image, and I wanted to make it round, so I just cut it in a circle, and I'm taking a bowl of water and then inserting my image in there, and it is curling up, but it will come back to the normal shape. But I'm just pressing it, and it's just like a 30 to 60 seconds. I left it in water. And I'm just wetting the surface with a few drops of water, and then I'm trying to place this water decal in a place where I exactly wanted to appear, and I'm finding the right spot, and all I'm doing is just patting it down with the paper towel, and then there you have it. And I'm planning to embellish it, so I'm taking this cotton yarn and some of this fall greenery, and I'm just taking 2 pieces of this greenery and encircling it with some of this cotton yarn, and then I wanted to stick on top of the pumpkin. I should have chosen a lighter background and a darker letters image, and somehow I wanted to have a mossy green background. So the image is not that bright enough, but I can still see the pumpkin shape, and also the letters are showing up prominently. I'm happy with it. What do you think? Please let me know your comments in the comment section. I'm attaching one of this fall leaf on the top of the pumpkin, and I'm planning to stick those greenery stem on top of it. Then I saw this beautiful fall ribbon from Dollar Tree, and it's going with the color scheme of the whole project. So it's got orange and green. So I'm just going to make a bow by making it bending like that in one side, attaching it on either side of the pumpkin. My sign looks good at this point in time, but I also wanted to attach this darker hydrangea in the center to finish the look. So I'm attaching that. So there, it's completely ready. So I'm also going to give a quote of a multi-surface Mod Podge. Now I'm a plate ambassador. Yes, I'm a plate ambassador now. So I got all these products from amazing plate company, and I'm also going to do a video of unboxing it. So please stay tuned to it. And this Mod Podge is like a multi-surface Mod Podge, and this is a wooden surface, and I wanted to just give a coat of it so my sticker sticks to it well, and it also gives like a nice shine to it. So there it is, all completed. So what do you think? The next one is the mug decor. And I'm going to use the Water Slide Decal on this mug. And I created this image from Canva, and I'm going to cut that in a circular form. And also I'm going to do the same method, dip it in water and press it for 2 seconds, and then I'm going to let it soak for 30 to 60 seconds, and that decal just, and again I'm going to just wet the surface of my mug with a little bit of water, and I'm going to position the mug in a right position, and I'm going to stick this decal on top of it. Using the paper towel, I'm going to pat the surface just to remove any air bubbles and also any wetness on the mug. Isn't this pretty? I'm just loving it. The mug looks like, although it just came with that print, isn't it? Now I'm going to cover the mug with dishwasher safe Mod Podge, but I would recommend to use hand wash. This is such an amazing product for people who do not have Cricut like me, and you can have a lot of designs. You can design on Canva and also print and use it on multi-surface. And Hippo also gives us like a 40% coupon off on Water Slide Decal and 10% off on iron-on transfer for you to just try their products. And I'm using another image of the same print onto my candle because I love that the background and the color of that whole image. So I'm going to stick it on one of my glass candle holder, so you can see that this can be used on glass surface as well. So I'll also leave the coupon code in my description box so you can avail that. So I'm going to do the same technique, wetting the surface of the glass candle holder, and I'm actually placing it in a right position and patting with a paper towel and let it dry. And I'm going to cover the image with one of this shiny Mod Podge so the decal stays secured, as well as it gives like a nice shiny effect. I like the shiny effect. My candle is now dried, so I'm going to decorate with this red and white buffalo checker ribbon on top of the candle. I just want to circle this ribbon with this green cotton yarn just to match the colors of the image, because the image has like nice mossy green and red and yellow in it. So I wanted to match those colors, and I wanted to create this messy bow with this green cotton yarn, and I'm sticking it in the center of the candle jar just like that. So that's it. So how do you think? The next project is iron-on transfer image on a tote bag. So I printed this nice Thanksgiving image using inkjet printer, and I'm taking one of those protective sheets. And this cotton tote bag is from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to transfer this image on top of this. So I just have to cut this image, and I'm going to take the tag off from the tote bag, and I have to just press it because it has some wrinkles. So the iron-on settings, that is like almost between close to cotton, but I didn't go all the way to the cotton, but I was just close to the cotton, so it has to be that hard. And I'm also using some cardboard pieces so that my image doesn't seep through. It's not necessary, I just took an extra measure. Now I'm removing the backing of the sticker very carefully and make sure that it doesn't rip off the image, and I'm just trying to find the nice spot in the center, and I'm applying this protective sheet on top of it, and I've set my iron to closer to cotton. I would say like it was 4.5, it wasn't 5 yet. So I'm just pressing it on all the 4 corners and the center so my image gets transferred. And now comes the interesting part, to see how my image got transferred. How beautiful is this? I'm just loving it. I'm going to do some more projects with this paper. This is the final reveal of all my Hippo projects. I'm in love with all of these projects, so let me know your thoughts on this. Let me start with this pumpkin. I didn't know I should be choosing like a light background. For some reason I loved this mossy green. I thought I should use that, but I can still see the design of the pumpkin and the letters. So final result is not that bad. So this is one of my pumpkin design. I did all this design using Canva. Leave the printables in the description box if you would like to use them. Then this is another decal that I created from Canva, and I wanted to show how you can use it on top of a mug. And it's so beautiful. When I'm sticking on the mug, it looks like although the mug came like that. And I also use the dishwasher safe Mod Podge on top of it. Like I said, it's always it needs to be used only for hand wash, so I would recommend to use hand wash. And I also wanted to show how it can be stuck on a glass surface. And this is the tall white candle from Dollar Tree, and I stuck the same sticker on top of this candle, and I decorated with some ribbon decor on top. This one is iron on the fabric, and I created the sticker from Canva. I created like a Thanksgiving with a background of mossy green. So I also stuck it using iron, like I showed that method, and I'm very happy how this turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this. So you can use this decal on any of the surfaces, and this is for the fabric as well. So I'm very much happy how this product is used. Like I said, this is ideal for people who do not have Cricut. So I'm in love with this, and I'm going to do some more projects. So these are the few of the product that I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.